Guys, welcome back for another video of service reset my car. Today I'm going to show you how you can reset the service indicator of a Renault Clio. It's a 2008 model. After changing the oil and the filters, you have to reset the instrument cluster over here to get rid of the wrench sign and the sign that says the oil needs to be replaced. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel. It's Service Reset My Car. We'd appreciate it if you subscribe to our channel. Give us more support by liking our videos. Use the comment area below if you have any questions, any comments, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, when we turn the ignition on, this sign and an indicator over here says the oil needs to be replaced, and I'm going to show you how you can get rid of that. To get rid of that, we have to have the oil indicator over here. We go there by pressing this button on the right thumbstick, the button on the top, a couple of times till you reach the surface indicator area, like this. Yes, with the wrench sign on it, the wrench sign over here. Once you are here, press and hold the button on the top of the right thumbstick till the sign over here starts blinking, and keep pressing that button on the right till it stops blinking. Once you have done that, you can let go the button on the right, and for the check, turn off the ignition, turn the ignition back on, start the car, and you'll see that the wrench sign over here and the indicator for oil change is disappeared. That was it for this car. I hope it helped you. It sure did help me to get rid of the sign, and hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.